Hi guys! Today we're looking at area of L shapes and how to find the area of L shapes using the splitting strategy. So splitting strategy means that we split the shape into two shapes that we can actually work with. So let's get to it. So in our first example, we're looking at this L shape and we're going to do a horizontal split. That means I'm going to draw a horizontal line across here. And now I have two rectangles, the large rectangle on the bottom and a small rectangle at the top. So large rectangle I'm going to call A, small rectangle I'm going to call B. It honestly does not matter what you call it. So the area of this L shape is going to be the area of A plus the area of B. The area of A I can tell is going to be 12 meters times 3 meters. The area of B, I haven't worked out yet, so let's get working on that. Now, because this is 12 meters, I know that this must be 12 meters as well. So far, I've got 8 meters here. So to make 12 meters, I know that that has to be 4 meters. Now, on this side, well, I know that this is 3 meters. Which means that this must be 3 meters as well. But I know that it has to be 8 meters altogether, which means that this missing side, that must be 5 meters. Okay, so now I have the area of two of my shapes. The area of A is going to be 3 times 12 meters, plus the area of B, which is 5 times 4 meters. 3 times 12 is 36 square meters. 5 times 4 is 20 square meters. Add them together and I have 56 square meters. Now we're going to look at the same shape again and do a vertical split this time, just to show that it doesn't matter which way you split, the answer should still be the same. So instead of splitting this way this time, we're going to split this way. So now I have two larger rectangles. I'm going to call this A and I'm going to call this B. Again, with B, I can tell that this is 8 and I can tell that this is 3. So I know how to find the area of my second shape. It's 8 times 3. For the area of A, I know that this is 8. But I don't know what this is yet. But I do know that this is 8, therefore this part must be 8 as well. So I'm going to write 8 here, and the whole thing must be 12, which means that the length here must be 4 meters, because 4 plus 8 gives me the 12 meters on that side. Okay, so the area of this shape, again, is going to be A plus B. A is 8 times 4, plus the area of B is 8 times 3. 8 times 4 is 32 square meters. 8 times 3 is 24 square meters. Add them up, and I have 56 square meters. And I'm just going to compare exactly the same. So it doesn't matter whether you do a horizontal split across like that or a vertical split, the working and the answer would still be the same. Let's look at one more example. Okay, so we're looking at this shape. I'm going to do a horizontal split again this time. So I've got my shape A and B. I can see that shape B is 10 meters by 2 meters. I can see that my shape A, I don't have this length yet, but I can work it out because I know that this whole thing must be 10. And this is 6, which means my missing side must be 4 centimeters, because 4 plus 6 equals 10. Now I've also got to work out this. I know that the width on shape B is 2, which means that this part must be 2. The whole thing is 9, therefore this must be 7 centimeters, because 7 plus 2 gives me 9. So the area is going to be A plus B, where shape A is 7 centimeters times 4 centimeters, and shape B is 2 centimeters times 10 centimeters. 7 times 4 is 28 square centimeters. 2 times 10 is 20 square centimeters. And that gives me 48 square centimeters. Okay, last example here. It's exactly the same shape, but again, we're going to do a vertical split just to show you that it's exactly the same thing. So vertical split, A and B. So again, we know the area is going to be shape A plus shape B. Now I can see for shape B, 6 and 2 centimeters. For shape A, I can see that that is 9, but I don't know this yet. I do know, however, that this is 6 and this is 6. And together, 6 and the width of shape A makes 10. So that means that must be 4 centimeters. So now I know A is 9 by 4 and shape B is 6 by 2. 9 times 4 is 36 square centimeters. 6 times 2 is 12 square centimeters. Add them together and I have 48 square centimeters. And that's exactly the same as what I got up here as well. 48, 48. So it doesn't matter whether you do a vertical split or a horizontal split, as long as you split the shape into rectangles or recognizable shapes, you're able to find the area of any L shape. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.